First off, you'll need 2 pounds of frog legs. If they're not already cleaned and prepared, rinse them under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. For the marinade, you'll want to mix 1 cup of buttermilk and 2 tablespoons of hot sauce in a bowl. Add the frog legs to the marinade, ensuring they're fully submerged. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, but overnight will give you the best flavor. While those are marinating, let's prepare our seasoning mix. In a small bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and salt and black pepper to taste. Next, we'll prepare our dredging mixture. In another bowl, mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of cornmeal with half of the seasoning mix you prepared earlier. Once the frog legs have marinated, remove them and pat them dry. Sprinkle them with the remaining seasoning mix, then dip each frog leg into a cup of milk and dredge in the flour cornmeal mixture until well coated. Now it's time to fry the frog legs. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a large skillet or deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the frog legs in batches, careful not to overcrowd the pan, for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and crispy. Once they're done, remove the frog legs from the oil and drain on paper towels. And there you have it, delicious, crispy Cajun frog legs. Serve them hot with your choice of dipping sauce, such as a Cajun remoulade, or simply with lemon wedges on the side. Remember, the best way to enjoy these frog legs is while they're hot, so don't wait too long before digging in. And if you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.